Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change out your thumbstick modules on your PlayStation 5 Edge controller. So if you are getting really bad stick drift or something like this, you can just replace the thumbsticks and not the entire controller. Now to do this you need to pop up this faceplate and we can just flip over the controller. If you have long enough fingernails you can hit the release right here on the back. It says release. Just go ahead and do that. So I'm going to flip over the controller and then just use my fingernails and hit release. Now you kind of have to swipe it. It might be a little bit difficult. You might need like a toothpick or something like that to get in there. And once we pop this up, there we go. I hit it pretty good. This faceplate cover will pop up. And then you can see your thumbstick modules. So you can go onto like Amazon.com. And I think these are like 25, 30 bucks just to replace the thumbstick module. Maybe you can buy them at Walmart, I don't know yet. But you can definitely buy them from PlayStation.com. Then all you have to do is hit this lever up. Boom. And it will pop out. And then you can pull it out. And you can just see it looks like it's just like a USB connection in there. So at any point in time you can replace these. Or you can swap them around if you really want to. You can use the left one on the right side, etc. Then to get a new one, just pop it in. It makes it very, very simple. So I'm glad they went ahead and did this because stick drift is so annoying. 30 bucks. Well, actually 30 bucks is about half the price of a new controller if you're just buying a standard controller. So pop it in, clamp it down, put on the cover. Make sure the face cover is going into these little holes right here. So start from the top and then clamp it down. So let's do it from here. And let's see, make sure it's aligned, otherwise you're going to have to release it and do it again. Boom, it is now on. Actually looks like I have to get that side in a little bit better, but that's how you can easily replace it. It makes it very, very simple. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.